Now these are the clinical cases. This 62 years old lady presented to my clinic with this extensive varicosities in both lower limbs. Long-standing history of the disease and strong family history of the condition. The patient is relatively overweight. Now the question is it possible to do everything in one session? And I think the answer should be no. It is too difficult, very traumatic, large varicosities, long operation time, and the patient is really risky. On the other hand, this is a 30-year-old lady who is presented with insufficiency of the great saphenous vein from below the knee to the saphenofemoral junction, with this small segment of varicosities in the lower leg. Now another question is it worth another session? And I think the answer is also no. I did the combined approach, and this is the results after 15 days, and the next picture after 3 months. The patient is very satisfied. There was a short prolongation of operation time, no other appointments or scheduling is needed, and the patient is really satisfied. This is the beautiful patient. This is a 51-year-old man with this big jugular varicosities in the right lower limb, with severe insufficiency of the great saphenous vein from the ankle to the groin. And it was difficult to expect the disappearance of all these varicosities after laser ablation. And I explained this for the patients and the options for treatment, but the patients prefer to finish everything in one session. I evaluated that the case is not risky, the patient is healthy, and the operation time should not be so long. I did the combined approach, and these are the results after 3 months with no pain, no heaviness, no ugly varicose veins, and no need for further intervention. The patient is very satisfied. This is also a debatable patient, a 67-year-old man with these small varicosities in the leg and the severe insufficiency of the great saphenous vein from below the knee to the saphenofemoral junction. Actually, I was expecting the disappearance of these varicosities after laser ablation. And I proposed this for the patient, but the patient preferred to do everything in one session. Again, I evaluated that the case is not risky and operation time should not be so long. I did the combined approach again, and this is the results after 6 months. It's very satisfactory. Now I think I have enough information to conclude that the GAIN data coalesce a large heterogeneous evidence base, and the concomitant treatment potentially offers low rates of interventions, of re-interventions, similar rates of complications, and the improvements in early disease severity and the quality of life is better in the concomitant group. I have to confirm also that both approaches are safe and effective, and the patient preference should be taken into consideration, and the final evaluation and the decision in this direction of the session. Thank you so much.